what we have here is William's Nerf gun with the dental floss tied to it. And then there's a loose tooth. Okay, are you ready?
No.
Just do it.
No.
You can do it. Come on.
Just get a paper towel.
Okay, I've got a paper towel. Go.
Okay. 1,
2, 3.
It came out.
Let me see. It came out.
Yay!
Okay, hold on.
It's
Let me see if I can find your tooth on this dental floss. Ew!
Where is it? Ew.
Wait, we lost your tooth?
We lost my tooth.
Where'd the tooth go?
Uh-oh, we lost the tooth.
Oh no. Well, the tooth fairy can't pay you without a tooth.
Oh, remember last year it fell in the sink, so she only gave me $1.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a piece of paper. William, where's your tooth?
I don't know. Where's my tooth, everybody?
Okay, so where's your tooth?
We lost it.
Where did we lose it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Somewhere around here.
Yes.
Maybe it came off the dental floss and went flying up. Or maybe one of the dogs are going to eat it. Are you going to find the tooth, Heaven? Where's the tooth? Ava, where's the tooth?
Sniff.
Find the tooth.
Sniff.
Sniff the tooth.
Sniff. Sniff. Yeah, it's good
Where's
sniff.
the sniff?
Sniff.
Where's the sniff, Heaven?
Oh, she's looking for it actually.
Get the tooth. Where's the tooth? Where's the tooth? Oh, find the tooth. Ava, find the tooth. Where's the tooth?
Hey, Toothy. Toothy.
No, scratching. Go find the tooth. The tooth's not in the carpet. Go find the tooth. Go find it. Halo, where's the tooth, puppy? Come here, find it. Ooh, puppies want to find a tooth. Okay, so we found William's tooth. And it's all the way in the dining room over here, and William pulled his tooth over there. So the tooth flew all the way over here.
Look at it's a tooth.
Let me see your tooth now. Let me see your tooth. It's a tooth. Now the tooth fairy can actually pay you for something, right?
Right.